While everyone's fighting to become the next big Twitch streamer, I discovered their secret formula and used it to build a $30,000 a month business without ever going live once. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can copy the same easy behind the scenes system to make real streamer money, even if you have no interest in streaming and no big following. If you're still focusing on going viral and gaining lots of followers to make money, then you're definitely working harder and not smarter. Plus, it seems like the algorithms favor creators who already have a big audience. It kind of feels like being stuck in one big traffic jam. Like, when is it going to be my turn to get out of this? Imagine a busy intersection at rush hour and you have cars, bikes, and pedestrians. They represent the big streamers, the small streamers, the newcomers that all have to get on the road to make it to their destination. There's no escaping the traffic. Everyone has to show up and navigate the same intersection to make progress, but the traffic light can only let a few through at a time. But here's the thing. Some streamers start early in the morning, hitting the green lights when the city was quiet. Other creators spotted a side street with a shortcut that nobody else noticed, and they were able to cruise past the jams. Some people learned the streets inside and out. Some big streamers started early in the morning and they were able to hit all the green lights when the city was quiet. Other creators were able to spot a shortcut that nobody else noticed, and that allowed them to cruise past the jams. Some people learned the side streets in and out, and they were able to show up at the right place at the right time. While everyone has to drive the same roads and play the game, your journey depends on your approach, your awareness, and the relationships that you build at each stop. The most successful streamers aren't always the fastest or the loudest. They became trusted guides and consistently showed up for their audiences, and they created genuine connection. Building a digital brand is just like that. And here's something that most people don't know. All top streamers are actually running ghost commerce brands. They recommend their favorite products, their favorite games, they have affiliate links, they mention sponsors. They quietly earn by guiding their viewers to helpful solutions, and they never have to have an actual product or a service of their own. This is the hack that I use myself to earn over $30,000 a month without having millions of followers, a big community, or even having to go live. I'm actually a busy, single homeschooling mom making bank just like some of my favorite top streamers, all because of this secret ghost commerce system. So how does this apply to you? First, figure out the journey that your people are on. Listen closely. Where is your audience trying to go? One of my favorite ways to figure out what problem I can solve is I'm just going to make a list. And on that list, I'm going to put all of the things that I have experience with. It doesn't have to be this big groundbreaking thing that you've solved. It can just be getting someone from A to B. So like me, for example, I was able to quit my job in 2 months and replace my 9-to-5 with ghost commerce. So because of that, that's something that I can help people with. I can help people learn how to make money online. I can help people learn how to create content that will solve problems for people. Just all of these little things that add up. I'm gonna make a list of all the things that I can do. And from there, I'm gonna take all of those things and ideas and I'm gonna go on YouTube and see if there are videos being made on that. Because if there's being videos made on this topic that I can help someone solve and they're actively looking for it, then I know that there's a market for it, regardless of if it's big or small. So that's where you want to start to find the problem that you can solve for someone. It has to be a problem that is identifiable and something that people are actively looking for. Next, share your content. Share videos, posts, emails, anything that helps your community take smarter routes, avoid the jams, and get exactly where they need to be. Let your guidance do the work. You're not trying to cut through the traffic by being the flashiest, the loudest. Instead, you're trying to build trust, and your audience will follow your recommendations because they know that you're just trying to help them get to where they need to go faster. One of my favorite types of content to create is just going and seeing what's already working and not trying to reinvent the wheel. So what I like to do is I'll go on whatever platform that I want to create on. Right now it's YouTube. I'm just focused on YouTube. I'll go and see what videos are already doing well and I'll try to make those videos better. The best thing you can do is like look at the comments and see, okay, what do people want to see next? What was missing in the video, and also what did they like in that video? Those are all things that I can go ahead and put in my video. You can do this with any platform, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You can go on those platforms and see what content that people resonated with, and you can go ahead and create that content in your own way that solves the problem that your audience is looking to have solved. Nobody can ever be you, and you're always going to connect to someone different than who I would be able to connect to. And that's the beauty of all of us being able to create content. There's just so much abundance because we're all different and we all have our own approach to things. Next, you're going to start seeing results. As your trust grows, your community moves with you because you make their journey more direct. You made it easier and you weren't only just trying to be entertaining. Everybody has to show up and put themselves out there. It's just a part of the game if you want to make money online. But if you really want to win, it's about knowing what journey you're on, spotting the new ways forward, and being that person that your people trust to get them unstuck. Once you notice how top streamers are quietly building these ghost commerce brands in the background, you'll realize that you can totally use the same moves to make a real impact with the people in your niche. So back to this whole idea of going viral. It's great when you go viral and everything just kind of takes off, but trust me when I say you don't need to go viral to make money online. Top streamers and content creators prove that consistency is the real secret ingredient. Every streamer, no matter their size, has to hit the road. And by hit the road, I mean posting content, working with the algorithm. But here's what sets the successful ones apart. They don't just race for attention. They consistently show up for their people day after day. So imagine we're in that city again. It's not always the person with the fastest car who gets ahead, but it's the ones that drive every day. They master their vehicles, learn their shortcuts, and become familiar with the rhythm of the streets. Top streamers aren't betting on luck. They're steadily building trust and being present. They reliably show up for their community. Their audience knows exactly when and where to find them. And the best part is they are there for that connection that you built with them. They're not going to just run off when the next big entertainment spike comes. This trust isn't built overnight though. It's the result of showing up consistently, even when only a few people are watching. You don't have to worry about performing for the whole city. You just need to show up by being yourself. In a ghost commerce brand, this steady, authentic presence is what will grow your audience. It's going to strengthen your trust, and it's going to ultimately turn your guidance into lasting income. It's not always about who's talking the loudest online. What really counts is showing up for your people day in and day out, no matter if things are going smooth or if they're getting messy. That's honestly how strong ghost commerce brands get built. And it's something that literally anyone can do. If you keep showing up for your people, the next step is knowing exactly who they are and where you want to take them. So let's talk about why niche focus matters. In a city of drivers headed in all different directions, the ones who reach their destination aren't just wandering. They know exactly where they want to go. Top streamers don't try to please everyone on the road. They just choose their lane, they serve their community, and they speak directly to that group that resonates with their style and their message. It's like choosing your neighborhood. When you don't try to serve the whole city, you become that go-to guide for your whole block. People know you, they trust you, and they come to you when they need help with something specific. Streamers who thrive aren't generalists, they're specialists. Their communities share inside jokes, specific interests, and a sense of belonging instead of just getting lost in the noise. They stand out because they understand their people, they understand their needs, and they speak their language. So here's how to use this insight in ghost commerce. 1. Pick your niche. Choose a specific audience with a real problem that you understand. Don't worry about helping everybody. Number 2, you're going to learn the local challenges. Dive deep into what your audience struggles with. What questions do they ask? What solutions are they searching for? 3, build your reputation. Become known for solving those challenges. Share your personal stories, offer helpful content, and then respond to your community. 4, become the trusted connector. Recommend products, courses, resources that truly fit your people's needs. When your audience sees you as their local expert, those referrals and impact come naturally. You don't need to go viral to actually make money online. What matters is zeroing in on your people and building real connections with them. That's exactly what the best streamers do. They become the go-to person for their people. And that's when ghost commerce really starts to shine. And once you start showing up for your people consistently, that's when things start to change. You can shift from chasing short-term wins to building something that actually lasts. Okay, let me get real for a second. This was the thing that changed everything for me. When I first tried making money online, I was just totally stuck on this hamster wheel. And I thought maybe if I post every day, go live nonstop, and just grind harder than everyone else, then something might actually happen. But that constant hustle just wore me down. And honestly, it made me question if this whole digital thing was even for me. And then it hit me. Instead of sprinting all over town and hoping to catch a green light, what if I built an actual bridge for my people? Like, instead of just reacting to the algorithm or chasing the next big wave, I could put real helpful stuff out there that actually solves problems and keeps working for me even when I need to step away. That's when things got really good. My digital brand became less about chasing these trends and more about the assets and values that stack up over time. A video or a resource that I made months ago, even years ago, are still bringing in new connection and it's still helping people out, still bringing in comments. And it sends them exactly where I need them to go long after I hit upload. That's the freedom that I didn't even know was possible. Here's what I noticed about the top streamers. It's not just about going live and being entertaining. The smart ones are quietly recommending their favorite products, their favorite tools. They're connecting their people to stuff that actually helps even when they're offline. Those little recommendations keep working and it allows them to continue earning and to continue building trust. And that is exactly what Ghost Commerce is. Helping your audience build real connections without having to have your own products or service. And you get paid for sending them to those solutions, to those platforms. And that is exactly what Ghost Commerce is. You're making real recommendations and getting paid every time you send them to the right solution. And with the right platform, you can actually get paid just for showing up. How do you actually put this into play though? You need to focus on creating evergreen content. Make helpful content, make videos, write emails, put out resources that solve your people's problems. Next, you're going to build your own list. Don't let the algorithms decide if you're relevant or not. Get your audience onto your email list, your Discord, wherever you can connect with them for real. No matter what happens with the platforms, you're always going to be connected to your audience. Next, you're going to recommend stuff that you actually trust. It has to be real, not just whatever pays the most. Your community is going to want to be like you. They're going to take action on the things that you take action on. Because of that, everyone wins. Next, you're going to scale by relationships and not repetition. Your content and your recommendations need to keep working for you so that when you need to take a break and you need to step back, your brand and your bridge are going to do the heavy lifting for you. So yeah, I'm not just another car fighting for traffic anymore. Now I'm the architect. I set up systems and assets that let my people get exactly where they need to go faster, smarter, and with way more trust. And that's the magic of Ghost Commerce. It's why I finally got freedom and impact without burning myself out. And the honest truth, you can totally do this for your audience too. Any audience. Once I realized the power of building my own bridge, I started digging deeper into what really sets the fastest growing creators apart. And here's something that I keep seeing over and over. Whenever I would see these streamers and digital creators who just seem to blow up out of nowhere, it wasn't always about who they partnered with or how often they posted or even their niche, though those things matter. It was something quieter happening. Some creators just seem to skip the slow lane, dodge all of the hassles, and they hit those big wins faster than everybody else. And honestly, I started getting obsessed with figuring out what that was. What's the sneaky little edge that nobody is talking about? So I looked closely and it turns out it's not luck or having a head start. These people move differently. Even when it looked like everyone else was stuck in traffic, they slipped into this open lane and kept picking up steam. I kept thinking, okay, how do they know exactly where to go when I just keep hitting these red lights? And here's what I found. None of them are doing this alone. Every single one of their breakthrough moments is because they had somebody in the passenger seat with them. They had a mentor, somebody who's been around the block, somebody whispering advice to them, somebody sharing a shortcut or giving them a little nudge away from disaster. Sometimes it's a DM maybe. Maybe it's a Zoom call for a tip. Maybe it's them sitting you down and giving you hard truths that you just didn't see coming. My whole story changed when I finally stopped playing solo and I finally got a coach that knew the map. And suddenly the random detours and headaches and dead ends, they just vanished. The maze turned into an open highway and I could finally see the road ahead. And it made all the difference. And I'm going to be real with you. That's when my entire story changed. I finally stopped playing solo and I finally got a coach that knew the map. Suddenly, all those random detours, those dead ends, they all just vanished. The maze turned into an open highway. I could finally see the road ahead, and it made all the difference. So how did these creators unlock this next level so quickly? What do mentors really do that cut the journey in half? I share exactly how I did that and how it turned into $30,000 per month in income in this video right here.